my life jacket on the whole time.
Yeah, you go ahead. Alright, good idea, getting on and off.
Are the numbers
I don't
moving
want to
now? I
keep getting
can't.
on and off.
Good?
Yeah.
So it's recording.
I should have brought some other extra clothes I can wear pants.
We're approaching Granville Island now. We got some jet skiers here.
There's that boat I want right there.
Which is the boat you want? Right there?
Sea Ray. You can tell the design.
Oh yeah.
It has that same kind of wavy design.
Very sleek. Oh, there we got Denise.
Sundance, Sea Ray, they're beautiful boats.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
And here we got Captain Murat.
Captain Ahab.
Nice surfboarding.
Arr, baby. Arr.
Surfboarding is scary. Real scary.
Yeah.
Don't fall out, anybody.
That's where the boat to park. Daddy, you know when I get out, you're gonna have to take off the bottom part
Yeah.
because my dress is sticking up.
Okay. So there we are approaching Granville Island. That's the Granville Street Bridge there. Bridges is a very popular spot in the summertime for dining on the patio. You can see it's packed.
Getting pretty good reception, getting Victorian Coast Guard radio.
Yeah.
80, getting about 85 kilometers on those things. Pretty good. Yep.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
Where's the big one? Let's take a
That
look over
one.
there.
That one's a big one. That one right there. Right beside it. Pretty big.
Oh, but Granville Island this time of year
That's
is really popular. Everyone, every show, every friend wants to see that.
Absolutely. It's like the place to be.
If not, we can, we'll figure it out. I always get a spot. Just a little bit of, sometimes, I think, didn't we come here once and park here?
Yeah.
And we pulled it.
Actually, that's a good place to moor the boat.
Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
It's a shame. Just before.
Oh, the sailboat, yeah.
That's a huge one.
It's a shame. Yeah, he took our spot. Oh, I might be able to spot for us.
Ooh, I see people canoeing. 3 people canoeing. Anything looks
So again, there's the Granville Street Bridge.
You hang on, don't fall off of there now. Okay, sweetie?
See Murat, the boat beside us there, this one? I like that boat.
This
one
yeah.
here.
Yeah, that's your speed, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
just a
get out,
nice
get out.
cruiser.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I see a goose.
Definitely.
What's that, Chooch?
I see a goose.
Definitely took our spot.
So Denise, are you having fun on the, I guess this is your first time on a boat like this? Yeah?
I've been on wooden boats, wood boats,
Yeah?
without the bait.
Well, we got the,
Is that a Turkish name?
what's that? What name? Cezanne? Could be.
This is fun. This is super, super fun.
Is it?
See that goose?
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off.
Now, what are we going to do here?
What's that boat?
Hover a little bit.
What's that boat? For?
Just wait, there's got to be somewhere.